Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with a holiday handbag organization and giveaway video. This is a collaboration video with my beautiful friend Melanie from the YouTube channel Living Luxuriously for Less. So let's get started. So Melanie and I have been friends for several years now, and we did a handbag collab video a few years back, and it was so much fun. So we decided to do another one. We thought it was great going into the holiday season for our subscriber friends to get a new handbag, well organized and perfect for the holidays. And so we're excited about this collab. So if you're not familiar with Melanie, she is absolutely beautiful inside and out. You will love her. You will love her channel. It's Living Luxuriously for Less, and that's exactly what she shares with you. She shares with you so many tips on how to live in your home beautifully, luxuriously, but not spend a lot of money. She also does that with event planning and parties. She teaches you so much with party planning. She is a amazing wedding planner, event planner. She also has a Lux Academy where she will teach other people who want to get into that business the tricks of the trade. She is so great with that. She also has some online courses. If you can't come to her academy, she has online courses that you can attend. So she really works hard to share her knowledge with others. She really is just a beautiful person. And so she does things from home organization and home decor and tablescapes. And she is a fashionista, by the way. So you will see every now and then she'll put some fashion tips in there also. So when you go to her channel, you really get a lot of value. So definitely check her out. I'll put a link in the description box below. And if any of you are from Melanie's channel, welcome. I am Nikki from At Home with Nikki. I have been on YouTube, I want to say almost 8 years now, 7, 8 years now. I think July will be the 8th year. And I share everything from home organization, home decor, a little cooking, DIYs, everything about the home. And I'm a professional organizer, and I like to share with you how to live efficiently in your home in a beautiful way. And so definitely, I would love for you to be a part of the At Home with Nikki family. I have a ton of videos on home organization and decor. You can check them out. I also have 2 other channels, which is At Work with Nikki, where I share with you more of my business. I have a professional organizing business, and so I share with you work tips, whether you work in the workplace or you're an entrepreneur. I share with you how to work beautifully, and so that's a fun channel also. Along with my 3rd channel is a pet channel. If you love pets, you might want to go over there because it's a lot of fun. I have 2 Yorkie puppies, and that's their channel, and we share everything from pet organization, pet hauls, pet tips, all kinds of things over there. So I'll put all of my channels listed below. So now I've done enough talking, and it's time to get in and share with you this organized holiday handbag. So let's get started with this bag. So I had so much fun putting this bag together for one of Melanie's subscribers, and of course on her channel she's putting together a bag for one of my subscriber friends, and I knew that I wanted to keep it on a budget, so I go to the places where I buy my bags, such as Marshall's and TJ Maxx and all of those places that we love, because you can get a great bag at a great price. And when I walked in and saw this red bag, I said, this is perfect for the holidays. I thought it would be beautiful. I did go to Saks and get this little charm with the stripes on it because that gave it a little Melanie flair, and because it's going to her subscribers, one of her subscribers, I thought that I wanted to put a Melanie touch on it. I love that it has the pocket on the front, great to just kind of put receipts and things as you're in the hustle and bustle of the holidays. I also love that it had the black trim accent because I knew that on the interior for the accessories I wanted to incorporate black because it's a classic look, and you all know I love a black bag and accessories. I also love that it had this center part here because you can, especially with a lot of crowds and things, you can put your wallet down here if you chose, but you can close it off. I put a little journal in here in case you want to journal on the go while you're traveling. I thought it was so cute, and so that tucks right in there, but you can kind of move things around. You know how I am. I like to have compartments in my bags when I organize them. I love that this bag has snaps so that you can kind of close off those compartments. They're magnetic also, which is always a great feature. And then in here, I have the black accessories, and I wanted to make sure, because you guys know how I feel about planning. I also share planner videos. I shared one yesterday or a day before yesterday, and I'll link that below also. But this is a red Filofax, and it's so beautiful, and this is great for your holiday planner. You can put your calendar in there, you can put your shopping list, your Christmas card list in there. And of course, I had to throw a piece of chocolate in here because I personally love chocolate, and it's nice to have a little piece of chocolate on the go in case you're, in the hustle and bustle and you're hungry, you have a quick little snack there. So as far as the accessories, I wanted to stay on a budget also, but something beautiful. So I went to my Coach outlet in my town and I found the accessories from Coach, and they were so beautiful. They had a 70% off sale, so got it at a great price. I love this wallet because it had plenty of room for receipts and cash and your cards, but then you can also carry it as a clutch. Because of the style, it'd make a cute clutch. I also wanted to get you a little card so that you can put gift cards in there, or if you wanted something where you can just grab and go, it really kept it simple, or even your business cards. It's great for business cards. And you all know I always like having a little bag for my tech items, for my chargers and headphones, and I love that this has the little wristlet on it because you can double as a little clutch also. And then I saw this little angel, and I thought this was so sweet and appropriate for the season, and I thought this keychain would be perfect addition into the bag, along with its gold in the hardware of the bag too, so it coordinate beautifully. I also went by Bed Bath & Beyond, and I got them some hand sanitizer and lotion because in the holiday season, a lot of going, it's good to have these two items on hand, along with a few other cosmetic accessories. So I found in Saks this cute little velvet bag, had the red accent on it. I felt like it fit perfectly. And then I just went and picked up some things like some little perfume on the go. I also some little matte lipstick that's by Smashbox, and also mascara, just some little things that you can take to stay looking beautiful while you're shopping and traveling and things like that. So I just wanted to get some little tidbits there. And so now that the bag is empty, you can see it empty, and it has the pockets on the side where you can drop your phone, and it just really makes it convenient for you to pull your phone in and out. And now I like to stack my things into my bag so that I can look down into my bag and easily see the compartment. So this is one way that I've always, if you've been with me, you've heard this 1,000 times, but this is how I believe you keep your bag organized. Now, I do make an exception for the holidays here and just tuck the lotion and the sanitizer on the side, because a lot of times when you're going in and out of stores, you want to just grab it. You don't want to have to unzip a bag. So I just tuck that down in there, and that's great for the holiday season to easily access those two items. So this is how I have it organized so that you can look down in the bag and grab exactly what you want, which keeps it simple. So now, friends, let me give you the instructions for entering the giveaway. This is the Melanie bag, and to enter, I have a link in this description box. You'll just need to go to that link to enter and enter your information. Real simple, takes 2 seconds to enter to win. And then you have to be subscribed to Melanie's YouTube channel, Living Luxuriously for Less, along with my channel, At Home with Nikki, and be over 18. Simple and easy. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing this beautiful bag. I am excited for one of Melanie's subscribers to get the bag. Definitely go over to her channel now and see the bag that she put together for you all. I hope you will love it also. And also remember, if you are not subscribed to the At Home with Nikki channel, definitely click that subscribe button. And to all my current subscribers, if you would please right now click that bell, that notification bell, so that you're notified when I post videos, because that is one way to guarantee that when I post that it will go into your feed. So if you'll click that bell, then you'll be notified whenever I post, and I definitely don't want you to miss any of the holiday content coming up. So friends, I hope you are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.